We're here in Las Vegas at CES, and here's some of the coolest stuff I saw. There's so much to see here, but here's some of the things that really stood out to me. And yes, we're saving the best for last. Starting off with something we found very cool. This gadget is by a company called Rolling Square, and it brings wireless charging to your MacBook. Now, this is a prototype, but you essentially just plug and stick this receiver to your MacBook, adding another piece for support, and now your MacBook can dock to this charging pad, which enables the MacBook to charge. It can support up to 100 watts, and I could see this being a great way to reduce messy cables all over your setup. Messy cables do suck, and well, so does the next product, literally. This is the Power Kick by STM Goods, and it's a pretty decent alternative to Magsafe mounting. This 10,000 milliamp hour power bank has 24 little suction cups that could be used to attach the power bank to your phone or to practically any smooth surface. It actually works pretty well. It just looks really weird. What was even weirder though was Ulefhone's display here at CES. They encouraged you to step on their phones and had a bunch of them in these display cases, some being in water and even ice. They showed us one of their unreleased phones, the Armour 26 Ultra, which doubled as a full-on walkie-talkie. The back of this phone had the weirdest camera array and also had night vision because why not? The loudspeaker was in the middle of all the cameras, and this thing was built like a tank. With a 15,600 milliamp hour battery, there's also these pins on the side that allow you to connect to various accessories like a microscope, endoscope, and it even has an IR blaster. Quite the package deal. Speaking of packages, this next product is really small and lets you add your own little touches to AirPods. This is a product by RockMax, and they're stickers specifically designed for AirPods. They come with an applicator, so you always get that perfect fit. They're available for all AirPods, including the AirPod Maxes, and it's a very cool way to distinguish your AirPods from the next person, or just to make them your own. This next product is something I would use on my cats. It's by a company called Invoxia, and it's a smart collar. This collar not only can help you track your pet's whereabouts, but it also doubles as a fitness tracker. It's only $99 and tracks your pet's heart rate, activity, breathing, sleeping patterns, and even barking, so that you can keep an eye on your furry friend's health. If you want a better way to track your own health though, this next product will blow you away. This is the ultimate smart ring, and I have been looking for something like this for quite some time. It's by a company called Diana, and this thing delivers. They claim it can last up to 7 days on one charge, and it has sleep tracking, exercise tracking, skin temperature tracking, but the best part about it is definitely its design. It's incredibly comfortable and has this gap so that it can expand and contract with your hand movements. I could definitely see myself using something like this. Another thing I could see myself using is this awesome new phone by TCL. This isn't out just yet, but the screen of this basically can turn into a Kindle-like display with a push of a button. It works so well that I honestly thought this display was fake and those devices weren't even on. It's very easy on the eyes and perfect for someone who likes to read a lot. The phone isn't out just yet, but this tablet is and only costs $229. A cool all-in-one device for someone who loves to read. All-in-one devices are great, and that's exactly what this little power bank does. This is a 2,000 milliamp hour power bank by Rolling Square, but they didn't stop there. It's specifically designed for your keys and comes with this little mount so that you'll never lose them. The same mount is actually the charger for the power bank, making this extremely convenient to use. It even has an NFC tag so you can share your info easily with anyone you meet. VR headsets can be tricky to navigate when you're someone who needs glasses to see, but this attachment solves all of that. mostly. This is a prescription lens for the Oculus Quest 2 or 3, and it allows you to quickly swap between prescriptions using this slider. It's by a company called Voy and just pops right onto your Quest. They do make specific prescription lenses for the Quest, but they're all fixed, so this product is one of a kind. We asked this gentleman who wears glasses to test it out for us, and he confirmed that they do work well, although slightly finicky to get your exact prescription. These will be out later this year and will cost $89. Obviously, the coolest thing we saw this year was the transparent OLED TV displays, but I really wanted to give you guys a break from all that. They did absolutely blow me away, and I can definitely see these displays being used in commercial settings to display sports stats, or even just to show pricing of food at the grocery store. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this very different video. Keep an eye out for short videos showing some more products that didn't make this list, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.